Hello garden lovers, welcome back to your favorite channel, Garden, Decor, and Designs. Today we're tackling a challenge many face, creating a beautiful and inviting garden without emptying your wallet with low-budget garden ideas. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. The concept of low-budget garden design isn't about sacrificing style or functionality. It's about resourcefulness, creativity, and prioritizing what truly matters in your outdoor space. We choose this approach because it democratizes garden design, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of financial constraints. It encourages sustainable practices, repurposing materials, and fostering a deeper connection with nature through hands-on involvement. In essence, it's about maximizing impact with minimal expenditure, proving that a stunning garden is within everyone's reach. The core concept behind low-budget garden design revolves around strategic planning, prioritizing needs over wants, and embracing DIY solutions. It's about recognizing the potential in existing resources and finding affordable alternatives to costly materials. We must choose this approach not only for financial prudence, but also for its environmental benefits. Repurposing, recycling, and utilizing locally sourced natural materials reduce waste and minimize our carbon footprint. Furthermore, it fosters a sense of accomplishment and personalization, as each element reflects our unique creativity and resourcefulness. This approach encourages a deeper appreciation for the simple beauty of nature, proving that luxury doesn't always equate to beauty. Now let's start. Here are the collection of the top 15 low-budget garden design ideas. 1. Repurposed pallet furniture. Transform discarded pallets into stylish outdoor furniture. Sand them down, apply a weather-resistant finish, and add cushions for comfortable seating. Pallets can be used to create benches, tables, and even vertical planters, adding rustic charm to your garden. 2. DIY terracotta pot transformations. Instead of buying expensive decorative pots, customize terracotta pots with paint, stencils, or decoupage. These can be used to display herbs, flowers, or succulents, adding a personalized touch to your garden decor. 3. Vertical gardening with recycled materials. Utilize recycled materials like plastic bottles, tin cans, or old gutters to create vertical gardens. This maximizes space and adds visual interest, perfect for small patios or balconies. Ensure proper drainage and select plants suitable for vertical growth. 4. Stone pathway with found stones. Instead of expensive pavers, create a natural stone pathway using found stones or gravel. Arrange them in a pattern to guide visitors through your garden, adding a rustic and organic touch. Make sure the stones are relatively flat and stable for safe walking. 5. Seed starting with egg cartons. Start your seedlings in recycled egg cartons. This is an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to germinate seeds before transplanting them into the garden. Once the seedlings are strong enough, they can be easily transplanted. 6. Mulching with yard waste. Use shredded leaves, grass clippings, or pine needles as mulch. This natural mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and enrich the soil as it decomposes, saving you money on store-bought mulch. 7. DIY compost bin. Create a simple compost bin using a plastic container or wooden pallets. Composting kitchen scraps and yard waste reduces waste and provides nutrient-rich soil for your garden, eliminating the need for expensive fertilizers. 8. String lights for ambient lighting. Add ambiance to your garden with affordable string lights. Hang them along fences, trees, or pergolas to create a warm and inviting atmosphere for evening gatherings. Solar-powered string lights are an energy-efficient option. Nine. DIY water feature with recycled containers. Create a small water feature using a large recycled container, a small pump, and some stones. The sound of running water adds tranquility to your garden, and it can attract birds and beneficial insects. 10. Painted rocks as garden markers. Paint rocks with the names of your plants or vegetables to create unique garden markers. This adds a whimsical touch and helps you keep track of what's growing where. 11. Free cuttings and plant divisions. Propagate plants from cuttings or divide existing plants to expand your garden for free. Many plants, such as succulents, herbs, and perennials, can be easily propagated, saving you money on new plants. Chapter. Natural fencing with living plants. Create a natural fence using fast-growing vines or shrubs. This provides privacy and adds greenery to your garden, offering an alternative to expensive fencing materials. DIY bird feeders with recycled materials. Make bird feeders using recycled materials like plastic bottles, pine cones, or orange peels. Attracting birds to your garden adds life and helps with natural pest control. Use free local wood chips. Many local tree trimming services will dump free wood chips to your property. These are amazing for pathways, mulch, and for creating natural-looking areas in a garden. 5th. Growing from seed. Growing plants from seed is always cheaper than buying mature plants. This can be more work, but is rewarding and very cost-effective. That's it. We hope these low-budget garden design ideas inspire you to transform your outdoor space without breaking the bank. Remember, creativity and resourcefulness are your best tools. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more garden inspiration, and share your own low-budget garden ideas in the comments below. We love to see what you are doing. Thank you for joining us on Garden Decor Designs. Remember, a beautiful garden is achievable on any budget. It's about maximizing what you have and embracing the joy of creating something beautiful with your own hands. Happy gardening! you.